With local services by Google, customers connect with small businesses around them. To meet some, we're in Dallas today.
My name is Karen. I am the owner and managing director of Gmates. Juan and I started cleaning houses 15 years ago by ourselves. We built a company from the ground up.
Karen and Juan rely on Google to help them reach new customers in their community.
Clients don't really visit our office. Google shows us as humans behind this digital storefront. Having the Google guarantee checkmark does reassure the client that we're a legit business, so there's a lot of value in that. We pay living wages and benefits to our employees. It's very important for us that they work with dignity and respect.
Today, Karen spends less time finding new clients and more growing her team.
Google gives us freedom of time to develop and train our cleaning teams. For us to have an eco-friendly company, it's key. I am personally very allergic and I have reactions to toxic chemicals. So to be able to provide that service to other families, that means we're making an impact in our city. We can specifically say which areas we want to service so our clients know that we're part of their community.
With local services, things have taken off for Gmates.
Our traffic increased significantly and it allowed us to get more business. We believe there are other entrepreneurs conscious of the environment like us who want to bring eco-friendly services to their community.